Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset Windows 7 PC or laptops without any installation disk. Click Start, click Control Panel. Click Backup and Restore. Click Recover System Settings or your computer. Click Advanced Recovery Methods. Click Use a system image you created earlier to recover your computer. Click Skip. Click Restart. Click Next. Check Select a system image. Click Next. Select previously created system image, click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.